If your LG ice maker has stopped cycling, a dead motor is often the culprit, but there are a few things to check first. Interestingly, nearly 40% of ice maker motor issues are actually caused by a faulty bin level sensor rather than the motor itself. Before you buy expensive replacement parts, let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to confirm the motor is actually dead. Always unplug the unit first, then try the manual test button to see if the motor responds to a direct command. Check for simple mechanical blocks like ice jams or a frozen fill tube that might be putting strain on the motor. Inspect the wire harness in the freezer door hinge for any frayed wires that could be cutting off power. While you can technically replace just the motor, swapping the entire assembly is usually faster and more reliable. Statistically, the motor is the most common failure point, followed closely by sensor issues and simple ice buildup. To replace it, simply remove the mounting screws and disconnect the wire harness to slide the old unit out. You only need basic tools for this job, but a multimeter is helpful if you want to be 100% sure of the failure. Don't forget the door switch. If it's broken, the motor will stay off to prevent a mess. With a new assembly installed, your LG fridge should be back to making ice in about 24 hours.